sing over album song that Baba 39 blood clot grave. Right now, you see you Grammy? Right now, if blood clot Bob Marley is alive, he come up, they come, shot the sheriff in a bumbo clot this morning. I make this be about us. We don't have nothing to do with what go on last night up a blood clot Grammy. Take that and near me with two fish and bomb it. And that me a bumbo clot. Hey, pussy. Watch you now. You see, all I know when me see the on the live, they come talk about say, Spice this, Spice that. You think a Spice lose no Grammy last night? And the whole of we lose. All of we blood clot lose last night. Me lose, you lose. Even bro got blood clot lose in them big product blood clot nose. When you come up here in the blood clot White House, you know, come out and come trash out things. Or you make them a give white boy the Grammy. Soda. Nobody never hear about Soda yet, father. You see that the foot? Play one of them songs, me get copyright. Them boy have all copyright, brother. Them boy are sing over album song, them Baba 39 blood clot grave. Right now, you see you Grammy? Right now, if blood clot Bob Marley is alive, he come up, they come, shot the sheriff in a bumbo clot this morning. The sheriff would have get some gunshot all over Morgan blood clot to that. Me bex. Me hear no phone no. Yeah man, Spice lose. This year no Spice. And the whole we lose. We lose your fuck. Two we lose. Right now you can't see lose. All over with blood clot face. One bag of white man with the on Zoom for blood clot listening party. I celebrate now. And the top of respect to Jamaica for reggae music. We love you. Fuck you, pussy. We don't know you. We never see you on the show yet. The call with him in your mouth. We're not glad for you, Roger. Go suck your mama. That me I tell you. We're not glad for you. Bob Marley said we got jump in your mama to Soja. See pre. Pussy, you know you ever walk and give no sound man yet. Pussy, me never hear one of your dub yet. Go suck your mother, you. You see all your Grammy? One of disgraceful. All your chance here, you go and run it down. What day you pack up your album? Full of Yankee. Me did think I want rap album first. Me ask Weezy. It up on the computer. Weezy, so that's on the computer then. Be a rapper, 21 Savage, 44 Savage, 99 Magnum, the whole of blood clot them. They put your blood clot album. It flop. As it come out, it flop. Half for the floppiest thing. And when you're looking up the amount of feature, you think of blood clot feature album. You're the young Kanye. When you look on the album, you see this one here. You see Yankee you fuck. Like it's our Yankee school. Like it's a military school. That. And what? It drop, it flop. Because guess what? Them now bring we alone are bring blood clot them. Eh? See? Coffee drop a album with Soja reggae. Soja reggae. That should have named Soja reggae. What? One time Coffee drop the album. Skyrise. It a clap down the whole universe. Biggest thing to drop. Right now, number 10, Mama drop on the UK chart. Big, she alone, the pan they are sing. Not even Rapture, not the pan they tell herself, be a big song. And what? She get the blood clot, okay. And you bless. Take up your blood clot self. You put every rapper what we can think of for your album. And it flop. Not even first week sales. You should have shame about to have Rolex. We don't want a blood clot kicking down the back. Here you don't see, American don't even like y'all. It don't like you neither. You ugly bumbo clot. Me across everybody this morning. Pussy hole. I want to make them Yankee boy and girl you feel like say they can't go size up. As they take up when we sang them and sing it. You all I want to talk about. Yeah man. See that? We big. Everybody know we. They don't know we. Because we now get a blood clot dollar. They not do nothing for we. And we alone glad for blood clot. Them can take up with journal. Them not give a fuck. One time they done with blood clot, we not have nothing. We are broken now. We broken. There's a filth. Everybody I get it. Everybody I get it, bitch. Pussy. Every day I lock off the dance them. And you beat down dancehall music and till it can't even be a blood clot jar in a pussy hole. Eh? The Uncle Joyner, they have a reggae. Spice and a reggae. Sean Paul and a blood clot reggae, them a dancehall. But what? When I was thinking Grammy, I put dancehall and reggae in a one blood clot category. Because when I pussy hole idiot. You see me, I say, all I want go on. All, when any roads are road, rat pies, me not give a fuck, bad man. Me not hear none of the song them yet, me begs you fuck. When I come talk about big up Jamaica, go suck on the mother, father. Oh, no man, pussy, we don't want to big up for our no. White boy got jump up and down in your thinking, mama. You see me, I say, the whole of the white with locks. Pussy, you don't think so that Jamaica should have a little color. Pussy, we are trim on them. When I the one of them Yankee blood clot boy, when the things are outside go, when I take up with locks, when I take up with John and music, and I win, pussy a idiot. All your sisters, shut up. Shut up. Cause now when I raise war, when I blood clot get no Grammy. Every minute on in our music I hear. Hear this, hear that, hear. So people take up the music, sing it back over, and blood clot win Grammy. Shut up. Cause I know you never Grammy to your blood clot name. Every day we are run down Grammy. And Sister Grammy now run down blood clot way. Mr. Grammy, take your nyammy. With the two blood clot fish and bunny. You hear me I tell you? That me I tell you. So no nobody. Me beg, you know why me begs? Because I know Spice lose. I know Sean Paul lose. I know Grams Morgan lose. How we lose? All we lose. Everyone always, you see, have the same accent here. We come from the same blood clot land of wood and water. How we lose? All we lose. Yesterday. What one yesterday? How we lose? Them sure we say we are not nothing. Them sure we say we are not nothing. Them sure we say we don't forget nothing. Every day we run up in them blood clot people here. Every day. Because without America, we think we are not nothing. And you see America shit pound we every blood clot minute. Oh, you going to give white people over we and a few thing. No Jamaican even know soda. Soda them are buy themselves. Nobody told them silent. Them blood clot win all silent. The man they win with sitting here silence. Me never hear that on the silent ravers alone, me know father. Me I tell you that straight. I want them look. And she said them the pussy the beat all Grams Morgan. Suck your mother Grammy. Oh, them white boy they beat Grams Morgan. Them the white boy they cannot beat Grams Morgan. Morgan heritage that. Foundation, biggest thing, and we do it. Come on now. When you talk about Grams Morgan, when you talk about reggae music, you have to say blood clot Morgan heritage. Our one. Our one. Actually, you need a blood clot now. You hurt me to a spot in my heart where it's like last night when they diss us. When they do what we do. Me hear enough people that talk about Spice lose. Me hear people that talk about this lose, that lose, that lose. And we lose as a race, as a nation. We create reggae music. And we create all hip hop. And we create rap. And we could have never, as a Jamaican race, a rap. And them boy they give a rap of the year. Our best blood clot rap album of the year. We could have never get it. Suck your mother Grammy. No. If you a big pussy girl they busy, go chuck up and down in your thinking father. You see me I say? Hey youth, that is like you know. Bumbuckler jerk chicken come from Jamaica. Nobody can jerk better than we. And we ain't jerking them. And we know about jerking. And we know about seasoning. Oh, what thing? Pussy. No boy. Not supposed to have that over blood clot with. No white boy. Pussy we are the same thing. Suck your mother you. You know mother too, you see we are bleach. I have dreadlocks. Pussy we are the same thing. You never talk like we. All your big pussy Grammy. You know we? In pussy world, don't put you back in on the category, suckwood. Don't put you back in on the bumbuckler category. Because me hear enough people that talk about, yeah man, other people are going to win because we don't have no substance. Go suck on the mother. Substance what? Our one are our one. And none of them white boy they no sound better than Chronics. None of them white boy they no sound better than Kabaka Pyramid. None of them white boy they, none of them. You hear that? But earth. Because a whole heap of blood clot artists they will deserve that. You see me? Chronics are my artists. Rape Kabaka Pyramid. You see me? Them boy there. Not even protege who no bumbo clot give. More than more take yourself who give protege than one of them boy there. Cause protege and Calibuds them as a white boy were there with we a DJ long time. Who not go take it up give soda, pussy, a DNG and bigger. We never call soda. We call soda DNG and bigger. Me G, we different. Pussy whole soda. Soda we different. We own on the same thing soda. On the white, we black and say bomba clot when you diss us. And dirty if you diss us. Pussy whole. What you can't sing about in a reggae. You don't know that the boy struggling a blood clot for him. You don't even have clean water. We have your blood clot drink dirty water same way. You can't sing nothing about blood clot mysticness. You don't even have a blood clot religion for yourself. You not follow back a pussy. Everything when you look at blood clot US people you can thief. You not thief. Mr. said them the boy they come from bellies. Living in a Brazil. Living in America. American band. I win reggae. Go suck out your mother Grammy. You not go style with one more year. You not take we off on a blood clot category. And chop up and down, with body hole. Suck your mother. You see me? Take we off. We don't need none more proud. We don't want no more Grammy. Grammy can't hear. Grammy can't hear. You hear that? You miss the whole away yesterday suck with Grammy. Where your mama there? Me a couple bread you know want piss from that. Go after your mama come up with piss up on your thinking mama, dirty Grammy. Grammy, you go give them white boy a Grammy, what you feel like say? You do it for show us what? You give us a hint? Where you hint us say? Where you touch me on my shoulder and tell me? Where you gonna tell me? Pussy? Eh? Them the boy that can't even talk patois. That's a Yankee boy them. Yeah, right on, man. Pussy them sound like they come from country and western. The boy they sound like they come from the last part of Texas. Where them still a ride blood clot horse. The boy they sound like the people when you beat the Asian in my bother. In a cowboy, me think a western. Me think a blood clot Clint Eastwood. Good bad and the bumbo clot ugly. Grammy, go suck out your big pussy mama and take away for your category. Take us off for your blood clot category because we know what is dancehall and reggae. And that way you put on the stage last night wasn't it. We have too much blood clot people. For blood clot highlight in a fucking reggae. For you get some big blood clot idiot white boy. Not even past some fest they never go. Not even Sting. Not even one common show where we know them from. I want to know somebody there with the angry face. Come pile driving on my body hole, my father. I want the bomb clot you do for my life. You know, sister, me upset already. You me fuck out your thinking, mama. You feel blood clot hurt. Tell your mama say she shouldn't suck me. Cause me never suck she. You see master me G? Pussy hole. All I want to come over here so we don't look at blood clot hostility. And Ray, one of the vex about to not vex but. Oh. We use me to show you how to find that face there and blood. So. Stop your shine fast. Someone wanna feel like someone look a shine can't stop, you know. You see me? Alright. Sorry people for the rude inconvenience what just happened. Alright. Okay. So where is somebody gone? Shit. What a fucking junker like that. Junker! I don't know why I always have to break my concentration with junker all the while. Junker, allow me for Bex.